Here are 3 things you must know about the new tax law that goes into effect starting January next year. 3 things that nobody has talked about. They've talked about the basic, which is if you earn 800,000 naira and above annually, you must pay tax. If your company does 100 million naira and above and 850 million naira in assets annually, you must pay tax. Those are the basics. But what they've not told you are these 3 things that will save you money or throw you in jail if you don't listen carefully. Number 2 is the most important, but we'll start with number 1. Number 1 is you need to stop the habit of not labeling your transaction. You see that thing when you send money, you just write cash, or sometimes you leave it blank. Stop doing that. Start labeling every transaction, so that when the tax man comes for you, because they will come, you have receipts. And that thing you do where you make payment to start requesting invoice or keeping the receipts, you need to stop it. Have records of everything in your business, in your personal life. Keep your financial records. It's very important. Now, number 2, very important. Listen. Number 2, tax evasion is a crime. If you don't know about tax or you feel like it doesn't concern me, nothing will happen. It is a crime. The day they remember you and they come for you, they can throw you in jail and mess up your life. That is why you must learn everything you need to know about taxes, so you can make your tax payments on time and without, the frustrations that come with it. And that leads me to the number 2B, which is the fact that tax avoidance is legal. Tax avoidance is where you try and reduce the amount of tax you pay by exploiting the loopholes that the rich people put in the tax laws, right? What I mean by this is Dangote may pay less tax than you, not because the amount is paying is small, but because the percentage is paying is less, because you are going to make use of all the loopholes. Now, this is not something that I should discuss because, again, that knowledge is not free, but I will give you some tips. Now may be the best time for you to go and register a limited liability company. By January next year, CAC is going to be overloaded with requests from many people because we'll be trying to do last minute registration. Now may be the best time for you to go and open a foundation. I'm not saying, but I'm just asking, right? So you need to learn all the structures and ways, about this tax thing, so you can carefully, reduce the load that you pay as tax. We should all pay tax as good citizens. But if you have a business and your business requires money for growth and expansion, right? So 3rd one, and another important one, is now is the time to start saving money for tax consultants. You cannot avoid them. You have to pay them because they are the people that will show you all the things that you can actually, make use of. All you need to know, they will make sure you file on time. They will tell you all you need to know so that you don't make mistakes, costly mistakes, right? Now, if you think now is a good time to register a company and you want to, know how to do your CC by yourself, comment the word tax and I'll send it to you. I'm even showing how to register a foundation account in there. Comment the word tax and I'll send it to you. I'll bring more tax videos your way, but until then, let me thank you in the comment section. If this made any sense to you, let me know in the comment section. Share this video with a friend, a brother. Everybody needs to know this thing. These 3 things are very important. I've done my part. The rest is up to you.